In this lesson, we're going to continue working with our type.java program. This time we're going to add code so that we can actually read the contents of a file. So to do that, we need to modify the program a bit. We need a variable to store data when it's read, and then we need to read the data. So we'll do that in a while loop. Like so. And then we'll print out the data once it's read into the variable. And that's all we need. So we'll save the file, compile it, and you'll see that we have an error. It says unreported exception, java.io.io exception must be caught or declared to be thrown. So when we read from a file, we need to be able to catch an IO exception. So what we need to do is go back to our code and add another catch clause. So we'll come down below the one we already have and write catch IO exception E. Then we'll just print a message. Problem reading file. So let's save. Go back to our command prompt. Let's clear the screen. Compile. And then run it with a file that we know exists. And there we see that it reads the file. So the moral of this lesson is you can have as many catch clauses as you need to cover the different exceptions that may occur in your program. So if you needed 3 more catch clauses, we could just add them after the one we just added, or we can have just 1 or 2 depending on the situation. The point is that you can have as many catch clauses as you need, and you just line them up one after another. So that wraps up this lesson on multiple catch clauses, and we're ready to move to the last lesson of this chapter where we talk about the try, catch, finally statement.